Hello everyone, thank you for watching. If you're new, welcome. And for today's video, I'm going to be decorating my home. I'm going to be doing some cleaning around the house and start getting ready my home for all of my Christmas decor. And I am so excited. I can't wait to start decorating and have everything out. And yeah, I decided to take you along with me. If you've been looking for some motivation to start organizing, doing some clean around the house and start getting ready your home for Christmas, I hope this video can be that motivation for you. And I am so excited this year. My family and I, we're going to be doing a family vacation. And I want to have everything out and everything done before that trip, so that way I don't have to worry about any decoration and any cleaning around the house, and I just can enjoy my family and enjoy all of my Christmas decor. And yeah, I'm so excited and I can't wait. I hope that this video can be a good motivation for you, and if you like and enjoy to watch this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up for me and subscribe, and let's get started.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
And there it is, guys. This is how I storage all of my fall decors. And I have these containers at Walmart. They was very affordable. These labels that I decorate a little bit, and I have these cardboard labels at the dollar store. And I got another one over here. Now that I take off all of my fall decor, let's start cleaning.
I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it. Dancing on to the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. We can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it. Dancing on to the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. I want you. We can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it. Dancing on to the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it. Dancing on to the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it. Dancing on to the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it. Dancing on to the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet.